Okay, we're going to go through the test number 1 review. Number 1, we have no intercept out here. So we're going to have to just start at 0, 0, the origin. And we're going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. Or we could go up 5 and left 1. And then we just take those, connect them together like this. And make sure that we put an arrow on the end of each side. Now for number 2, this is a vertical line. It goes through the intercept at 1, the x-intercept, right? So you see x is 1. So we go vertical right through here. Okay, that's the graphing. Now the rest is equation solving. So what we're going to do here is we look at p. P is divided by 15. So we're going to multiply by 15 to undo that. And that will cancel out the 15 here, just leaving us with p. And on the other side, negative 210. We could very easily use a calculator to do that. And number 4, it's just a one-step equation. We're going to add 11 to both sides. And that makes a 0 here, and so v is 12. Okay, on to the back side. Here we go. Okay, we're going to combine like terms if possible. So we have a negative 8 with a negative 2. That will be negative 10. Plus 7x is 18. We'll add 10. Because this is now a two-step equation, there's 0. So 7x is 28. And divide by 7. So x is 4. 28 divided by 7. Number 6, just make sure you add together the 1 and the 6. So 1 is x plus 7. And one-step equation, just subtract by 7. Negative 6 equals x. So pretty easy so far, right? We've done half the problems, but now it gets a little more complicated. On number 7, we have x on both sides of the equation. We want to get rid of the smaller x. That's over here. On the left, we're going to get rid of that, make that 0. But we have to add x on both sides of the equation. So 4 is negative 12 plus 2x. Now it's a two-step equation. Add 12 to both sides of the equation. There's the 0. And it's 2x, and then just divide by 2. Okay, number 8. We've got 2 p's to put together and a 1 and a negative 7. So the left side can stay the same. The right side is 2p, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So now we have p on both sides of the equation. We're going to take away 2p, the smaller of the two, and there's 0. 2 plus 2p equals negative 6. Two-step equation. Subtract 2, so 2p is negative 8, and divide by 2. That cancels out the 2's there, and we get p is negative 4. Number 9, we're going to leave the left side alone. The right side, distribute the negative 6. So that'll be negative 48b minus 30 plus another b. Combine like terms. So now we can put together negative 48b with 1b. That'll be negative 47b. Everything else stays the same. Okay, and now we're going to get rid of the smaller b because there's b on both sides. So we'll get rid of the 47 to both sides of the equation. Gone there. So we've got on the left side 43b minus 30 equals negative 30. If we add 30, because this is a two-step equation, we're going to get 0 over here. 0 is 43b, and you can divide 0 by a number. That just gives you 0. b is 0. Number 10, on the right side, we're going to distribute again. On the left side, leave it alone. That'll be 16b plus 48. We'll get rid of 7b because it's the smaller of the two. Gone. So 3 is 9b plus 48. And then we'll just take away 48. It's a two-step equation from here. Negative 45 is 9b. Don't want 9b, want 1b. So divide by 9. These 9s cancel out. And you get negative 5 is b. Okay, almost done. 20 and number 11, leave 28 plus r alone. Distribute the 7, so that's 28 minus 42r. Minus 42r is the smaller r. We'll get rid of that. And that leaves us 28 plus 43r equals 28. We'll then subtract 28. We're in a two-step equation. And 0 here, but also 0 on the other side. So we got to divide by 43, and once again, 0 is the answer. Okay, last problem. Distribute negative 7 to here. It's negative 28n minus 35, and it's equal to negative 12 minus 5n. The smaller n is the negative 28n. I'm going to get rid of that, do the opposite, put it over here, 0 here. I'm going to leave negative 35 alone. This is negative 12 plus 23n. Okay, now two-step equation, add 12. That's gone away. This is negative 23 equals 23n. And the last thing we're going to do, divide by 23. And that will give us negative 1 is equal to n. Okay, wish you the best on the test. See you next time.